So today I will share how to create a football single photo collage design in Canva. So let's start with it. So I will go to custom size here, and here I will first change the units in inches, and I will choose the white as 36. So I will get a suggested size which is tarpaulin, and it is 36 cross 24 inches. So I will use this one. And after that I will just go to text here, click on add a heading, and here I will write F. Okay, and after that I will just change the size to 440, and after that I will change the font to Sports World, this one. And after that I will just arrange with individual letters. So when this one is done, let's arrange it in a straight line. Now click on any one and press Ctrl plus A in the keyboard to select all of them, and right click it, go to space evenly and click on tidy up. Now I will just middle it here. Okay, and after that I will select the alternate alphabets, which is this one, O, T, A and L, and now just use the downward key to move it slightly down. Okay, like this. And after that, when this is done, now we have to make a rectangle shape here. So for that I will just zoom the page. Okay, and I will use R to activate a rectangle here, and I will just bring it here. And I will make it smaller, and I will just cover it here. I will just decrease the transparency so that it gets easier for me to work in here. Just zoom in and work in it. Now you move it down here. Okay, now let's make for others. Now you have to just arrange it with the size. Okay, so in this way all the arrangements and the design part is done here. Now we have to go to elements, and in here I will write American football players, and I will go to photos, click on see all. So let's use this one. Okay, and just decrease the transparency to check whether the images are getting aligned in the figure or not. So we have to make a little bigger so that both of them are aligned. So this one was looking better. Okay, so let's keep it here, and let's make it slightly smaller. Okay, and when this one is set, now press on Ctrl plus X and click on add page and keep it here. Okay, now increase the transparency and click on this image, click on edit, and in Magic Studio scroll all the way here to Magic Expand and click on whole page and click on expand. So let's try this one, click on done. Okay, so some more steps are left, but if you don't want to do the hard work, you can just get these templates for just $1. So this football one along with basketball, baseball, soccer, track, cheer, and also for the musical bands I have made a band template design. So if you want to purchase this, the link is in the description. You can just purchase each of them at just $1, and the link will be also in the first comment. So let's start with the work. Now I will click on share, click on download, and make sure both of them are in PNG, and just download both the pages. Now just re-upload the design. Let's separate both of them, and after that go to apps. Here click on blend, click on blend image, and for the bottom layer I will use this text layer. Click on use selected image, and for the top layer I will use this image layer, and make sure the blend mode is in screen and your design will be ready. So this is a one-time use design, as you can see in here. So if you want to use it multiple times, you will be needing a drag and drop template which you can download from our store at just $1, and this is valid only for our YouTube subscribers. And if you have subscribed to my channel, you can get this at just $1 for each of them. So this is the tutorial. I hope you like this tutorial, and please subscribe to the channel to get new tutorials and amazing offers available for you. Thank you.